Are you bored already just because most of the S&P 500 has reported earnings? Well, don't be, because there's still about 7% of the S&P still to report. And we're getting a lot of the small and mid-sized companies reporting this week. And a lot of them are some big names. So let's get right to it with the best charts to start off the week. First chart is one I put up here, even though, yeah, I see it. It's got the 4 misses all the way back there in 2012. So why did I do it? Because outside of those misses and the one just last quarter, it has this great earnings track record. Nutrisystem, this was they're coming off their hot quarter because this is when you enter into your New Year's resolutions. You want to lose that weight, and those shares are hitting new highs. So this one could be real interesting this week when we get these numbers. Our next company is one of the beasts of the week. You can't deny it. Priceline hasn't missed in over 5 years. This is a perfect record. The shares kind of trended sideways there in 2014, 2015, and the start of 2016 before finally breaking out of that pattern. They've hit new highs. They look like they're in the breakout. Can Priceline continue to do it? Can they beat again? This is a real strong area in the travel area, so this is one I'm going to be watching. I own this one in my personal portfolio as well, but Priceline, just a beast of a stock. Our third company has one miss on there, Target. But the actual chart is crazy. So yes, retail, it's real hard to be an investor here because they keep beating, and yet shares are all over the place. So obviously with this one, the beat or the miss isn't really the whole game in town. It's what else they're saying about sales and the outlook for the consumer. Our next company is also one that's in an area that a lot of people just don't like. Endo International. ENDP is the ticker. They do the generics and over-the-counter specialty pharma drugs. This area has been under a lot of scrutiny by regulators, and you can see the shares just drop off the cliff there, even though they only have that one miss in 2015. This could be a buying opportunity for some people. So these generics and drug company stocks are one to watch this week. There's a couple companies reporting. And then finally, we're going to close out the start of the week with Ambarella. This is a very popular stock. I know a lot of people own it. This is in the semis. They have just the 2 misses right out of the gate after their 2012 IPO, and then once in 2015. So they do keep beating and beating big, but as long as they got GoPro as one of their biggest customers, people are going to be nervous here. So that's something to watch. How many other new customers are they getting, and are they broadening their revenue base? But otherwise, you got to like this chart and its great record. There's some big names in this list, and there's going to be some more big names for the rest of the week. So be sure to tune in to all the earnings All-Stars videos. And also, if you want to know any options trades on some of these, be sure to check over with my colleague Dave Bartosiak. He runs the Zacks Live Trader over on YouTube. He's going to be dissecting the options trades on a lot of the big names this week. So be sure to check it out over there. That's Zacks Live Trader on YouTube. I'll see you again some more this week.